Come angel tree shopping with us. I love that this is like a trend this year and there's been so much awareness for the angel tree. I think it's really great. We're gonna go, the kids are each gonna go pick out a kid to go shop for. Here she is. I feel like there's a lot of teens left on here. Let's pick some teenagers to go shopping for. All right, we're shopping for teens, which I feel like is the hardest thing. We're gonna go shop for a boy first. All right, we grabbed a hoodie. I literally have no idea what a movie pass is. No idea. We decided you can't go wrong with socks. Socks. I bet you by movie passes they mean like movie theater passes. I feel like this is safe. It didn't say this on here. It says very little. It says fishing pole, but it said that on every single boy Christmas one, and I don't feel like every single boy out there likes fishing. So I was thinking tools. I feel like I can't go wrong there, maybe. I don't know what this is, but it looks like it could be useful. We're just wandering around. I feel like nobody's ever disappointed in a new pillow, so we're gonna do that. That was hard. I think teen boys are really hard to shop for when you don't know who they are. Oh, there's a blanket too. Should we get him a blanket? I feel like everybody likes a good blanket. Like, I think let's grab this one. Maybe something bigger. This one's a huge one. I feel like any boy would like that. Okay, moving on to the girls. Both of them say fingernail art, craft kits, clothes, adult, small, medium, large. All right, let's go shop for a 12 to 14-year-old girl. Two of them. To make it easier, we're just gonna get both of the teen girls the same stuff so that I don't have to decide for two people. I feel like Taylor Swift bracelets. This is like that vibe. Decided on these beads instead. Girls, this is a cute color. I like that one. Let's get this one. I do like that one a lot. I've seen so many angel tree wish lists on TikTok where they actually have like a whole list of things they want. I wish that was the case with these ones because it's hard to guess for these older kids what they're into.
On the inside too.
You like these ones?
Feel on the inside.
That is nice. Is that the one you want to get?
Yeah.
And you like this one?
Yeah.
Okay, throw it in.
Wait, is it for me?
Nope, remember it's for the girls that we're shopping for, right? Okay, Brielle picked up this one.
One of them.
You like that one? Okay, throw them in. All right, we decided a gift card for each of the girls also. To the checkout. Can you get it in? Okay. We don't want to bend these fishing poles in here. Mama, help. All right. I also just want to thank you guys for being here and watching my videos because TikTok is an income for our family and it's a big part of the reason we can do things like that. So I just wanted to say thank you guys.